actually happy that I'm actually happy that this place is allowing this guy not to do it. A man is pissed off because the dialysis place he goes to cannot bring tells him he cannot bring a cutout of 45 a picture of 45 that he can masturbate to while doing his dialysis. So in Port Lucie, a Florida man is pissed off, is undergoing kidney dialysis 3 times a week, is upset that he can't bring a life-size cardboard cutout of 45 that he could jack off to for emotional support. If you're blowing 45 and masturbating to him, then you should not be do not need emotional support. Nelson Gibson told WPBF that his family can't sit with him during his 3.5 hour treatments to help. He began bringing a picture of 45 as a comfort item. It just feels like bringing something from home to make you comfortable, Gibson told the West Palm Beach area television station. Gibson said that no one complained about the photo. Next, he started bringing a small cardboard cutout of himself standing next to 45. No one complained about the small cutout, and Gibson told the station that some people even took photos with it, which I wouldn't have. I would have burned it. On Saturday, Gibson took a life-size cutout of 45 to his treatment at Fresenius Kidney Care in Port Lucie. He said that again, no one took issue with his gay emotional support item, but when he returned Tuesday for treatment with the squatteral cutout, Gibson ran into a roadblock. He told me it was too much and that this wasn't a Klan rally, he told the TV station. His son Eric contacted officials at the facility to find out what the problem was. It was supposed to be an issue of safety and infectious disease, which made no sense, Eric Gibson said. The Gibsons say they feel singled out since the center typically encourages patients to bring emotional support items, and that really isn't emotional support. Gibson said another patient brings in bubble wrap and pops it during her treatment, which he finds nerve-wracking. Yeah, and I find a picture of looking at 45's ugly ass fucking face nerve-wracking. What I really would like to happen for them is to not infringe upon my father's freedom of expression and speech, and allow him to bring in the life-size cardboard cutout that takes up less surface area than a garbage can. Eric Gibson told the station. While we cannot discuss any specific individual, we wrongly support the ability of our patients to express their views, which includes bringing reasonably sized items into our dialysis centers that do not create safety or infection control issues or interfere with caregivers in the treatment for us, said the center spokesperson, said Brad Puffer, said in a statement. The family said they aren't sure when Gibson will return for treatment.